Phrasal verbs starting with letter B. Back away. Meaning. Move back because of fear or dislike. Where to use. When someone retreats physically or emotionally. Examples. The dog barked loudly, so she backed away. He backed away from the deal after hearing the risks. Back down. Meaning. Give up or surrender after opposing something. Where to use. In arguments, debates, or conflicts. Examples. She refused to back down during the discussion. The company finally backed down under pressure. Back into. Meaning. Enter or hit something backwards. Where to use. When driving or moving in reverse. Examples. He accidentally backed into a lamppost. The car backed into the garage wall. Back off. Meaning. Stop bothering or pressuring someone. Where to use. In conflicts, warnings, or personal space. Examples. The police told the crowd to back off. You should back off and let her decide. Back out. Meaning. Withdraw from an agreement or promise. Where to use. Commitments, contracts, or deals. Examples. He backed out of the wedding at the last minute. They backed out when they saw the risks. Back out of. Meaning. Avoid doing something promised or agreed. Where to use. Duties, responsibilities, or obligations. Examples. Don't try to back out of your promise. She backed out of helping us move. Back up. Meaning. Support, copy data, or move backwards. Where to use. In arguments, technology, or driving. Examples. Can you back me up in the meeting? Always back up your important files. Bag out. Meaning. Criticize or make fun of someone. Where to use. Informal talk, teasing, or mocking. Examples. Stop bagging out your classmates. He always bags out the new manager. Bail out. Meaning. Help someone in trouble or escape from a situation. Where to use. Financial rescue, emergencies, or legal context. Examples. The government bailed out the failing company. The pilot bailed out of the burning plane. Bail up. Meaning. Stop or hold someone up with questions or threats. Where to use. Robberies, interviews, or sudden interruptions. Examples. The robbers bailed up the cashier. She was bailed up by reporters outside the court. Ball up. Meaning. Confuse or spoil something. Where to use. Tasks, presentations, or plans. Examples. He really balled up the assignment. Don't ball it up again. Bang around. Meaning. Make a lot of noise by moving roughly. Where to use. At home, noisy places, or when kids play. Examples. The kids were banging around in the kitchen. He banging around with the tools in the garage. Bang on. Meaning. Talk continuously or hit exactly. Where to use. Conversations or accuracy. Examples. He kept banging on about his new car. Your answer was bang on correct. Bang out. Meaning. Produce something quickly, often carelessly. Where to use. Writing, music, or quick tasks. Examples. She banged out a letter in 10 minutes. The pianist banged out a lively tune. Bang up. Meaning. Damaged badly or put in prison. Where to use? Accidents or legal trouble. Examples. The crash really banged up his car. He got banged up for robbery. Bank on. Meaning. Depend or rely on something. Where to use? Trust, expectations, or planning. Examples. You can bank on her support during the project. Don't bank on the weather being good tomorrow. Bargain down. Meaning. Persuade someone to reduce a price. Where to use? Shopping, markets, or negotiations. Examples. She bargained the shopkeeper down to half the price. He tried to bargain me down but I refused. Bargain for. Meaning. Expect or prepare for something. Where to use? Surprises or unexpected results. Examples. We didn't bargain for such heavy traffic. The exam was harder than I bargained for. Bargain on. Meaning. Rely on or anticipate something happening. Where to use? Plans, hopes, or assumptions. Examples. I didn't bargain on working late tonight. You can't really bargain on his support. Barge in. Meaning. Interrupt rudely or enter suddenly. Where to use? Conversations or private spaces. Examples. He just barged in without knocking. Don't barge in while we are talking. Barge into. Meaning. Forcefully enter a place or conversation. Where to use? Social interactions or physical entry. Examples. She barged into the meeting uninvited. He barged into our discussion and took over. Bash about. Meaning. Handle roughly or treat carelessly. Where to use? Toys, tools, or objects. Examples. The kids were bashing about their toys. He was bashing about the luggage in the car. Bash in. Meaning. Break by force or hitting hard. Where to use? Doors, windows, or walls. Examples. The burglars bashed in the door. He accidentally bashed in the window with a ball. Bash out. Meaning. Create something quickly without much care. Where to use? Writing, agreements, or tasks. Examples. She bashed out a quick email. They bashed out a deal in 1 hour. Bash up. Meaning, beat up or injure badly. Where to use? Fights or violence. Examples. He got bashed up by a gang in the street. The thugs bashed him up after the argument. Ball out. Meaning. Scold or shout at someone loudly. Where to use? Teachers, parents, bosses, or coaches. Examples. The coach bawled out the players after their poor performance. She was bawled out by her boss for being late.